today's the day. Today's the day. Just kidding. This is gonna be like a video. I should start off like this instead. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Seems like a lot of videos I'm wearing the same stuff. It's same day, just stretched out. But today we are installing the bumper for the ISF bumper on my IS250. So that's gonna be fun. Got it right here. Today, this video is gonna be like 3 days long because today I am going to put this on. Later on in the week, I'm gonna put the diffuser on because Josh at Creative Customs told me to wait a week or so until I put the diffuser on. So I'm gonna wait till like Thursday or something, put that on, and then Friday I'm gonna get the exhaust work done to get that. But yeah, I'm gonna just take off that bumper, put this bumper on, and then go from there, and we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, check this out. Excuse all the stuff I have on my trunk, but look, 2 basketballs. Hell yeah. Dogs fucking barking. But pretty much in order to remove the bumper, I watched the video. You take this out, there's a 10mm. You take this out, there's a 10mm. There's like a 10mm behind this. Damn penny. And 10mm under here somewhere. I think that might have been gone already. And 10mm on the side, and there's like 4 push pins around like the bottom. But we'll take it one step at a time. We'll take these off first and see how that goes. All you need is probably like this or this thing, or a 10mm, you know, flathead, 10mm, you should be good. Take them all off right now. On it to take it out. You have that little clip remover thing that kind of looks good for it. You can stick it in and pry it out. It's probably better. 10mm up here and down here. The 2 that was inside the trunk, and then those 4 clips on the bottom. Take that and it should come off. The only thing is here, I think it's connected to like some, I don't know, something in the video I saw. You just yank it quick and it should come off. Like this yellow clip right here. That. Then you do the same thing. Transfer that to something, but that's the OEM one. And that's my car without a bumper.
It's a little dusty.
Alright, I just got the bumper off. And this should be theoretically the same way. I didn't see a video or anything like that. So that's kind of on now. And we'll see. I don't know if I have to transfer. Probably do just based off of what it was. I don't even know if this fits here. How this one? would be the other side. Supposed to go. Don't know what that was. From there, put the 10 millimeter bolts back in, pushpins back in. That should be it. And then stay tuned. Obviously, same video. It's gonna just cut to the next thing. I'll just put all the diffuser on, and then the day after, I get the exhaust done. All right, Joe. A few days after me putting on the rear bumper that is on my Lexus, cleaned up the golly. I didn't think so. Wow, Jesus Christ. God. A few days after, cleaned this up a little bit. Carbon fiber rear spats. Glossy ass carbon fiber diffuser. Again, shout out Creative Custom, shout out Josh. But I am going to remove all the 3M tape that's back here and then mock it up to the bumper. And it looks like it's just gonna go on through the push pins on the bottom. And then I think they previously, Yawshu and them had I believe that was like a 10 millimeter or something. I don't know. Maybe it's just screws. I don't know. Go through there, but I'm gonna mock it up, take off the 3M tape, and see how it goes. All right, what's going on, y'all? I'm back at it. I'm trying to show y'all how it was, the installation process and everything. I got the rear spats on here. 10 millimeter screw, that one on the bottom of the bumper is attached through it here too. And I just put a zip tie on this side. And then for the carbon fiber diffuser, I'm not gonna lie, this shit was low-key a bitch to put on because the exhaust I have on for my IS was kind of in the way. As you can kind of see right here, there's kind of some gaps as well on like the edge here. You can kind of see I put a little bit too much 3M tape over here, but the exhaust was a little bit in the way, so when I couldn't just smack it onto it. I had to put it on this side and then pull the exhaust hanger to make room for the diffuser to fit over there. But once I got it there, I already had the 3M tape mocked up, so I had 3M tape pretty much across here, along the top over there, and then same thing on the other side. And on the bottom, the 4 push pins that we used to take off the bumper, obviously those had broke off, so I bought new ones at AutoZone for like $3. Those are in, super secure. Then 3M tape across here. This thing, not too bad from far away, you can't really tell. Obviously if you come up close, then you can start seeing the gap, but it's not too bad, especially for myself doing it. There's a little gap up there. This part is pretty much flush, and then a little smaller gap on this side. Like the other side, you can definitely see the 3M tape I put in here, a little too thick. Yeah, Same thing here. Have the zip tie this side, 10mm screw on this side, so that's not gonna go anywhere. And yeah, pretty solid install, a little difficult, but that's pretty much it. And all I gotta do, stay tuned, because tomorrow I'm gonna get the exhaust done, bring y'all along with me for that. So yep, that's tomorrow. Alright, it's the day after I put the diffuser on, getting the exhaust done. Can I zoom in on this? I can zoom in on this. Right there. That one's kind of done. Just gotta put the hangers on that and doing the other side right now. I'll show y'all better later on. But also a little update. I gotta like put a screw or something in on the bottom. There already was one, I just never put that on. On the bottom. Where's my finger? Right on the bottom corner. Oh shoot, that's my nail. But it's gonna be on the bottom corner of the bumper, because when I drive and I get out, it sticks out, or it comes off a little bit from that part. So I'll update y'all later on. But exhaust work's getting done, and I'm just watching them do their work from my girl's car, because I'm weird. Alright, so that's about it for this ISF rear bumper conversion. Got the spats, got the exhaust tips. Looks pretty fucking sick. I told them that I wanted it to stick out at least a little bit, to kind of match with the fins. But yeah, I also added the self stepper up here, because there was one, and as I was driving, I think with it rumbling or like moving, it would slowly move out. I tried to fix these gaps, but I'm not gonna lie, it is what it is. I'm not an auto body shop, so I think that's as best as it's gonna be. It's definitely better than my old setup that had the big ass gap. So I'll take it, I'll leave it. Unless it like really opens up again, then I might really have to do something about it. But for what it is now, definitely happy with it. And that's pretty much it. That's the ISF rear bumper conversion plus the diffuser install. Let me know what you guys think of the look, and I'll catch y'all next time, probably with more interior mods coming up.